Our love story began because it was beautifully created by God. Every night, before I sleep, I would always pray to Papa Jesus na sana bigyan niyo po ako ng partner na makakasama ko habang buhay. Through thick and thin, yung responsible, hardworking, faithful, yung mamahalin po ako ng sobra at hindi ako iiwan.
Magkasama tayo dalawa.
Salita ka daw. Iyak ka. Burger.
Mami, thank you.
Tayong dalawa.
Tin, who would have thought that from giving you a simple bibingka would lead to this path? I promise to love you even when you're hungry, tired, and taking forever to choose where to eat. I vow to laugh at your jokes, even the bad ones, share my fries with you, and never watch a favorite series without you.
Wala nang nais pa kundi mamahalin kita.
Oh, walang iiyak, walang iiyak.
Ang pangarap ko ngayon ay magkakatotoo. Lahat ng to dahil sa'yo. Heto na, heto na. Magkasama tayong dalawa. Di na bibitawan ang mga kamay. At mula ngayon, lilipas ang
Sabi ko nga, doon ko iiwan yung anak ko. Kaya kung sino ang mahal ng anak ko, yun ang tatanggapin ko.
magkasama tayong dalawa. Di na bibitawan ang mga kamay. At mula ngayon, lilipas ang panahon. Maghahawak magkasama tayong dalawa. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules and so do I. So what I'm thinking of, you wouldn't get this from any other guy. Just wanna tell you
Ka na?
how I'm feeling.
Mag-pray ka daw. Good luck.
Iiyak ka ba mamaya?
Oh.
Never gonna give you up, let you down.
Lahat ng hiningi ko sa kanya, ikaw iyon. At higit pa, you showed me what real love is, na kahit magulo o mahirap, you stayed, you never left, and you never gave up.
You are my home, my heart, and now the mother of our child. Promise to support you, tease you, and be with you forever. I love you always.
Mamahalin kita ng buong puso, ngayon, bukas, at habang buhay. Thank you for loving me the way you do. Thank you, babe. And for being God's best gift to me.